I'm on a mission to find a gaming headset with that perfect balance between comfort and sound. So I picked up this Corsair HS80. We're going to get it unboxed and see if it fits the bill.
Keep the channels of communication open with the Corsair HS80 RGB USB premium gaming headset. We review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Corsair makes all kinds of stuff, ranging from PC components like RAM sticks and keyboards, to custom lighting and streaming equipment, all the way up to and including audio gear. Today we're taking a look at their HS80 USB RGB wired gaming headset, a piece of gear that is perhaps the best bang for buck offering Corsair has across their entire audio range. Are there better gaming headsets out there? Of course. Are there better gaming headsets out there at this price point? Absolutely not. Comfort-wise, the floating headband design ensures you'll never have a bad hair day. The ear cans are made from a memory foam wrapped in breathable material and provide decent insulation from ambient sound. The housings are plastic but reinforced with aluminum for added durability while keeping the overall weight down. And each one hides a custom-tuned 50mm neodymium audio driver powered by Dolby Atmos to provide a rich and immersive spatial sound experience. More on that sound for a second. Dolby also brings 7.1 surround to the party, and thanks to the dynamic 20 to 30,000 hertz frequency range, picks up everything from a quiet whisper to an earth-shattering explosion. We're not going to lie, there's been a few times we've turned around to look behind the couch because you actually hear the footsteps behind you while you're playing. Pre-tuned audio profiles, custom equalizer settings, and customizable RGB lighting are all controlled via these switches and buttons located on the backside of each ear can. Rounding out the package is the broadcast-grade microphone with flip-up mute function. So, what do we like about the Corsair HS80 RGB USB premium gaming headset? This is the exact point where value and quality intersect. There's a ton of trash headsets on one side of the bell curve, and a ton of overpriced headsets offering marginal improvements on the other, with the HS80 sitting smack bang in the middle, without breaking the bank. Sure, they're a little grainy, a little muddy, but the multi-directional sound blew us away. And it's a totally different gaming experience when what you're seeing on the screen is mirrored in what you're hearing around you. It makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. And the best feature of this headset? The microphone. For this, or really any price point, the microphone is excellent. So, what don't we like? For kids and normal people, the sizing is fine, but for big lids like us, it's a little on the snug side. Those with larger than normal craniums might be better suited to a model with an adjustable headband. Now, it has to be said that once you go wireless, you can never go back. Having a cord tickle the back of your neck while you're trying to concentrate on the task at hand is something you really never get used to. But enough from me. Let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
These are by far the most comfortable headphones I've ever put on. I mean, really, they're phenomenal. This elastic at the top, nice touch. I won't buy another set of headphones without it. And the sound, the Dolby 7.1, man, you can really hear the difference compared to other headphones. My one complaint though is this cord. I understand the advantages of having the cord, but I'm not that hardcore of a gamer where I'm gonna get those advantages. So this headset without the cord, and my mission's gonna be accomplished. But for now, I'm gonna keep looking.
Thanks, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Corsair HS80 RGB USB premium gaming headset? Listen, of course there's better gaming headsets on the market that sound much better out of the box, but none come close to the value you get with the HS80. It's got a great mic, they're super comfy, and they've got a clean design. We're giving them a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $89.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.